Alright people, we're going to hike Manoa Falls. A little different than what we've been doing with all the beaches and all the overlooks on the ocean. Now, it's very jungly and we're gonna go find a waterfall. You guys want some trees? Oh! Amy's going on about the purple flowers. Pretty much like Jurassic Park. It's kind of cool looking though. Hey, there's a swing right there. You want to go on it?
Yeah, let me just Tarzan it up.
Tarzan!
No big deal.
Go! Bailing out. You guys need some bamboo? We got bamboo on bamboo.
Too late.
It's an interesting little doorway that nature made.
It's like a little elf door. Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings elf doors. What was one of the character names from Lord of the Rings, Aim?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No.
Test failed. Well, that's it. Danger, stop. Landslide area. Beyond this point, keep out. I don't know if anybody reads the signs or cares. But just saying. Not a bad hike. Pretty easy. Just really muddy, super humid, and a few bugs. Unless the bug spray. Jason's vlogging. It's like vlogging inception. Unless the bug spray really works. No bugs bothered me. Anyways, more of the waterfall. Do not go in, keep out. Nobody listens. Let's see what we got up here. Okay, coming down. I took a photo for those guys. They're really nice. And he made fun of selfie sticks because I was taking a photo of us with my long arm. He's like, at least you don't have a selfie stick. So, everybody hates those things. Anyways, we're leaving the waterfall, hiking back down. Super muddy. It's honestly much harder going down than it was coming up. And I'm gonna put this away so I don't break my ass. Now we're lost in the woods, in the jungle. At least I have firewood. And actually, if you dug that out really good and built a platform, that'd be a good little cubby to stay in if you needed to. But, cool little area up in here. If I don't fall again. Definitely jungly. Those are bird sounds that I cannot make. Nature 1. Chuck bird noises. Zed. These guys got the DJI ready to go.
Nice.
What's up, guys?
You guys got over here really quick. Yeah, we were over in This is beautiful. What a view.
At some point, a dinosaur's gonna run that corner.
Yeah, I think it will. It feels like we're in Jurassic Park, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
This isn't even hard. I can't even pretend I'm balancing. Woo!
It's so easy though. That's the noise I can't do. Not even close. Good for you, bird.